Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start while logged into an administrator account because Windows won't let you change UAC otherwise. Once signed in, open Start, type Control Panel, and press Enter. This takes you directly where you'll make the change. Make sure the Control Panel view is set to large icons so options are visible. This reduces clicks and prevents accidental navigation. From here, locate user accounts quickly and proceed. It's the first actionable step to disable or lower UAC prompts. You'll now change the UAC level. Click User Accounts, then User Accounts again to reveal Change User Account Control Settings. This path is precise so you don't end up in unrelated menus. Move the slider down to the bottom position, labeled Never Notify to stop elevation prompts. You're choosing convenience over prompt protection. Click OK and be prepared. Some apps might require a restart to reflect the new policy. Understand that this reduces security, so only do it when necessary and on trusted machines. Once you confirm the change by clicking OK, restart Windows to ensure the new UAC setting takes effect system-wide. If you still see prompts, make sure Group Policy or Registry settings haven't overridden your change. Open Gpedit. MSC for Professional/Enterprise, or check HKey local machine /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /policies /system for enable LUA. If anything breaks or security concerns arise, re-enable UAC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.